Hi guys, welcome to Servicing channel. Today we are going to discussion about six stocks which will be Grasim Industry, Orient Cement, Bajaj Auto Limited, and Wipro, Ambuja Cement, Tech Solution. These six stocks will be watch it tomorrow. Add it to your portfolio. Definitely you can get some amount of profit. Let's go now. We'll discuss about the analysis of stocks. Before that, if you are a new person to visit this site, please subscribe our channel and support to me and press the like button. I am not a disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered person, I am just sharing this video for educational purpose. Okay, let's go directly to the video. So I am taking here Wipro day time frame. See here Wipro how much beautifully cut it and going upward direction here. See, this is the good breakout happened here. So we missed out even though I'm taking a chance of now also. So here also good breakout happened. See 529. Now it is moving to upward direction. It will be go up to 548 for tomorrow target, and it will be if you are a short term trader, it will be go up to 582. It may take a time up to 2 or 3 months. So yeah, but if you invested in Wipro, no worry about it. Wipro is a good company, there is no problem. So Wipro day to day basis it will going moving forward upward direction. So you can definitely you can add it to your portfolio and watch it. Wipro will be give the good returns. So your target would be fixed at 582 for swing trading or short term trading. Intraday for you can fix at 548. Watch it tomorrow, don't miss it. Next stock Ambuja Cement. So see here Ambuja Cement also performing good. How much it will be beautifully breakout happened here. So here, so this triangle pattern breakout given at 26th 19th May, even though it will not confirmed yet, but today is confirmed. 27th May it will be confirmed. The bullish candle is momentum candle formed. It may be go up to now it will close at 330, but it will may go up to 354. So note it point 354 first target, and it would be go up to 375 is the short term trading. If you are a long term trader, you can wait up to 398. So this will go definitely up to 398 or 400. So add it to your portfolio. Ambuja Cement is today in usually today cement industries are good, performed good, especially Ambuja Cement, Orient Cement, and Grasim Industries, and Ultratech. Yeah, all cement companies are giving a good profit. Uh, I taken this Ambuja Cement for a good breakout happened, so that I'm taking here. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. You can use it for swing trading and short term, not for intraday. Use it. It will be go up to 354 is the first target, and third stock is Orient Cement. Let's see the Orient Cement. See here Orient Cement. Orient Cement also giving already I have been explained in Orient Cement in previous my video. Even though I am for it will be already touched our target 136. Already given. See, this is my previous video drawing, plotted drawing. I will not change anything. So I told already after this breakout it will may go up. So it happened. So now it is reached at 148. So now see here good breakout happened. So good rally also going on. So it may go up to 170. I'm sure it will go up to 170. You can add it to your portfolio and watch it regular basis. For a swing trading purpose, you can add it to your portfolio 170. Short term, you can use it. So Orient Cement also you can. Then Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto already I have been uploaded in my previous video. Check it out. Maybe it will uploaded 5 days back, or I did not remember. Five days back. You go to my stock analysis playlist. It will be available. Same scenario. I'm told about this cup and handle pattern. See, happened the same thing. Now touched here, and it will be try to take a retracement. Maybe take, otherwise it will. If further tomorrow it may be a breakout happen, you can continue the rally. Otherwise, if you take retracement, I have to wait for this location 41110. Otherwise, if breakout given at tomorrow, you can enter at tomorrow onwards. It will go up to 4484. So definitely the stock will be good return. So take it, add it to your portfolio and watch it regular basis. So it is for a short term trader. And take solution. See guys, I'm saying a repeated stocks because of I told already happened now. See, this is also already told on I think 10 days before or 1 week before. It has been already told same scenario. I'm not diverting anything. Same drawing uploaded here. See, it will go like this. After that, it will take a retracement, then it will go up again. So you can, if you are a swing trader, you can enter at tomorrow also. You can enter and get a profit 78 and hold it. Otherwise, you can exit from this position, then you can come down after a retracement, then you can get again at bottom by 67. So this is a good strategy. You can buy it 67, or you can enter tomorrow also and get it some 8.78. So it may go first 78 rupees, then it will go up to 8 to 9 rupees. So add it to our portfolio and watch it. Take solution. This is a clinical laboratory research company, competitor of pharma industry like Sun Pharma, this kind of companies. Add it to your portfolio and watch it. Now we have to check it. Bajaj Auto Tech Solution, Grasim Industry. Guys, Grasim Industry, see here. Don't try to tomorrow. The Grasim Industry yet now not confirmed because of the candle. It is traveling in middle of the triangle. I am not saying to enter tomorrow, but you can add it to your portfolio and watch it continuous basis. It may go up to this level 1476. After breakout only, the give the good rally. Until that, wait, because of the stock yet now not confirmed, because it will traveling in a middle of the portion of this triangle pattern. So that I'm request you, don't try it tomorrow. It may be fall down chance also happen. So that I am uh, saying wait for this breakout, bottom breakout or top breakout. It may go bottom breakout also or top breakout. So wait that until the breakout. But if breakout given at this point of 1477, it will go up to 1588. That is sure. So add it to your portfolio and watch it up to wait for a breakout. This stock is will give the good profit. Okay, add it to your portfolio. That's all guys, today video. I hope you enjoy with this video and understand to everyone. Please subscribe and support to me, like the price button, and watch it regular basis. I will be uploaded on day-to-day basis. Thank you for watching.